Alright guys, I'm on TradingView and let's dive into the strategy that requires two indicators. You can see them right in front of you guys. Let's set them up. I will start with the first one. Before we start trading, we need to configure our first indicator and use the same settings you see on my screen. In the style tab, I make the moving average a bit thicker for better visibility, but that's just my preference. And now let's configure the secondary indicator. In the style tab, check and uncheck the same boxes as you see here. In the inputs tab, use the same settings I'm using. These are the settings for both indicators, and now let me explain how the strategy works, how to open a short and long positions. This strategy works well across almost all time frames, from 1 minute to daily. However, I don't recommend using it for anything under 2 minute time frame. I usually start reading from the 5 minute time frame, and let me show you how to open a short position. And first, your primary indicator should change color from green to red. At the same time, the waves should be purple. Only then should you open the short position and set your stop loss at the previous structural level. For example, you open a short position here and set the stop loss at the previous structural level and set your take profit at a 1:2 risk-reward ratio. For a long position, the color should change from the red to green, and then you can open a long position and set your stop loss at the previous structural level. This strategy works well and provides reliable signals. I like it a lot, and today I'll demonstrate in real time on a 5 minute time frame chart. And I showed you examples on the Bitcoin to USD chart. Today I'll trade on Forex and open a real-time trade on currency pair, and I aim for a 1:2 or 1:3 risk-reward ratio, as I found this to be the most effective. So guys, I've got a signal to open a short position. I've already set my stop loss and take profit at a 1:2 ratio, and the conditions for a short position are met as usual, and the color changed from green to red, and the waves are purple. And let's see how the trade goes, guys. My short position successfully closed. I earned $200 and the signal worked well. Let's find a long position next, guys. AUD USD, guys. I've got a signal to open a long position, and let's set it up. The entry point is here and the stop loss at this level, and a 1:2 take profit, and the conditions are met, and the color changed from red to green. Let's see the result of this long position. My long position closed successfully. I earned $200. It was a strong signal, and let's find another short position, guys. GBP GPY. There is an upward trend and I'm opening a long position, not based on the first indicator signal, but as a continuation of the bullish trend. I'll set the stop loss at the local minimum and open the position at a 1:3 ratio, and let's see how this long position turns out. My long position closed successfully. I earned $300. It was a strong signal in continuation of the bullish trend. Let's find one more short position. USD GPY, guys. I've got a signal indicating a trend change from bullish to bearish signal, and the conditions for a short position are met. I'll set the stop loss at the local maximum and open the position at a 1:3 risk-reward ratio. And let's see how this short position performs. And the trade closed successfully. I earned $300. Overall, today's trades have brought in $1,000. All signals worked well, and I'm very pleased with the result. If you have any questions about this strategy, you can find a link to my Telegram in the video description. Feel free to ask any questions. I'll do my best to help you. Have a good day, good luck in trading, bye bye.